Is it time to get our cookies ready for Santa yet? It's Christmas Eve! I'm so excited! Santa's coming! Give me a few more minutes, girls. I'm finishing up this charcuterie board. Let me just add a little bit more honey to this honey stick. There we go. That looks perfect. Bandit, can you take this charcuterie board over to the table for me?
I love charcuterie, only if I get to have a taste.
Well, of course you do. It's for everyone to enjoy.
That looks good.
I just need to add the final touch. Crackers. You can't have a charcuterie board without crackers. Let's open them up. We have 2 different varieties. Let's just place them around the table and grab what you want. Here's a knife for the cheese. Alright, Bluey and Bingo. Let me clean this up and then we're ready to get your cookies out of the oven. Finally! I'm gonna check the cookies in the oven. You girls stay right there. The oven's very hot. Let's open it up. They're ready! Wow, they're perfect! Santa's going to love these! Let's sprinkle a little sugar on top for some extra sweetness. Great idea! Santa loves sugar! Patience, Bingo. We have to get the sugar open. Now shake gently.
Wiggle!
Wiggle!
Play!
That's a bit much, Bingo. I don't think Santa wants that much sugar. Bluey, it's your turn. I just love sugar. There we go. Great job, girls. Let's get the cookies moved over to our table so we can make space for one more sweet treat for Santa. Oh, I can't wait to make something else for Santa. Bandit, don't eat the gingerbread cookies. Those are for Santa.
Oh.
Alright, girls, we're gonna decorate this Yule log cake. And we can give Santa a slice with his cookies. Yum! What do we do first? First, we need to open up this chocolate hazelnut spread and spread it on top. Let's open up the jar. Look at all of that frosting! Yum! You girls can take turns spreading the frosting all over the top of the cake. It smells and looks so good I could just lick it all off. No licking the cake, Bluey. That looks great, girls. Now we need to decorate it. Let's add these fresh berries and greenery on top for a little Christmas color. Wow, pretty! Let's add a few berries. And then some green. Looks just right. Let's add one last decoration, our candied mushrooms. Ew, mushrooms! These aren't regular mushrooms, they're sweet. Let's add one more. There we go, that looks perfect. Let's get our cake onto this beautiful plate. And we're going to add one final topping. Can you guess what it is? Sugar! That's right. Let's sprinkle a little on top to complete our Yule log. You can both help sprinkle this on. Here we go. So much sugar, it looks like snow. Great job, Bluey and Bingo. This is the perfect looking Yule log. Let's get it over to our table. Look at all of this yummy food we need. We need to get Santa a plate. Here you go, girls. I already sliced Santa pieces of our Yule log cake. You just need to add the cookies. Let's add one that I made and one that Bingo made. That sounds perfect. Why don't you girls take the plate and put it by the Christmas trees so Santa will find it. This looks like the perfect spot. Wait, we're missing something. We need carrots for the reindeer. All right, go get it, Bluey. I have the carrots, Bingo. We'll put them right here next to Santa's cookies. Alright, Bluey and Bingo, it's getting late.
Santa will be coming soon. You probably should get up to bed.
Okay, good night, everyone. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm so excited! Do you think Santa's gonna love our cookies and cake and bring us extra gifts? I hope so. Good night, Bingo. Good night, Bluey.
Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen. On Comet, on Cupid, on Donder, and Blitzen. They sure outdid themselves with all these sweet treats. These are the best cookies I've ever had. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Ho, ho, ho.